Not a joke. See how to remove dental plaque in 2 minutes at home. Welcome to Herbal Corner, the way to a quick and easy solution to your problem. If you're excited to find out, hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. While it's a popular belief that you lose your teeth when getting old, all of that is going to change at the end of this video. By following the simple method for keeping your teeth and gums healthy shown in this video, you'll no longer be a regular visitor to your dentist and you can afford to keep your teeth healthy for a lifetime without spending your hard-earned money on over-the-counter whitening products that can cause sensitivity of teeth or lackluster result. To save you time and money, we have compiled a quick list of proven home remedies for teeth whitening that will restore your smile naturally without breaking the bank, all from the comfort of your home. Without much ado, I am going to show you the exact ingredient I used in removing dental plaque in 2 minutes. So make sure you watch this video to the end, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of our new videos every single time. Now, what exactly is dental plaque? Have you ever noticed that after some thorough cleaning, your teeth look sparkly white, but over time they appear dull and yellow? That yellowish color is called plaque, a filmy substance made out of bacteria. Plaque accumulates on your teeth both above and below your gum line. Now the truth is, even if you take great care of your teeth at home, you'll still have some bacteria in your mouth. They mix with proteins and food byproducts to form a sticky film called dental plaque. This gunk causes your teeth, gets under your gum line, and sticks to fillings or other dental work. Plaque carries bacteria that can damage tooth enamel and lead to cavities. But if you remove plaque regularly, you can prevent permanent tooth decay and gum disease. Bigger problems arise. However, if plaque stays on your teeth and hardens into tartar, you may find it unsightly. But what's more, it can damage your teeth and gums if it's not removed. So how do you get rid of those dental plaques naturally? To do that, you need the following ingredients: baking soda and lemon whitening paste, coconut oil rinse, apple cider vinegar, strawberry plus salt and baking soda, aloe vera and glycerine, orange peel paste, grinding up Clove Spices, the vitamin power pack, white vinegar solution, sesame seeds, guava. P.S. For certain reasons, we suggest you do a patch test before you try any of these methods in case you are allergic to some of the ingredients. Now let's start with the first on the list, which is baking soda and lemon juice whitening paste. Baking soda is well known to be used for anything and everything, so it shouldn't be a surprise that we have it on the list. Adding a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking soda to your brushing routine will significantly help in effectively cleaning your teeth as well as naturally removing dental plaque. But how does it work in getting rid of plaque tartar? First, baking soda is alkaline and coarse in nature and will mildly scrub off stains from your teeth and return your mouth's pH to normal levels. Plus, it will take the harsh acidity off the added lemon juice. So, how the whitening paste part of it? To make your whitening paste, here is what you will need: 2 to 4 teaspoons of baking soda, enough lemon juice or water to make a paste, a soft bristled toothbrush. Making process: in a small bowl or jar, pour the desired amount of baking soda in. Then add lemon juice or water slowly while stirring. Then on the amount of baking soda, the added liquid will vary. Once you have the desired paste, consistently apply a liberal amount to your toothbrush and scrub for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat the process a few times a week or until the desired results are achieved. Coconut oil reigns. As the vast benefits of coconut oil continue to grow, they are found to apply to your smile. And here is why. The lauric acid in coconut oil helps fight off the yellowing bacteria in plaque. This wonder oil helps improve the health of your gums and rids bad breath. This may sound weird, as I thought it was crazy too when I first heard about it, but sincerely, rinsing your mouth with coconut oil called oil pulling is a unique remedy old people use to help whiten teeth. Though it doesn't sound like the most pleasant thing to do in the world, if you don't mind the taste, it does make a difference in the color of your teeth, promote gum health, and help keep your breath fresh. To achieve that with oil pull, here's what you need. 5 to 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Just that? Yes. Making process. Before brushing your teeth, use a spoon to scoop an appropriate amount of coconut oil up. Take the coconut and put it on your mouth to melt. Then, very much like mouthwash, swish the liquid around your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes, making sure you cover the entire interior of your mouth several times. Spit out the coconut oil and finish by brushing your teeth. Repeat as necessary, whether daily, weekly, or monthly, it won't hurt. Apple cider vinegar. Known for its many healing qualities, apple cider vinegar is great for your mouth as it acts like a personal scrubber for your teeth and gums, helping to remove stains and bacteria. But why does it work so well? First, apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, potassium, magnesium, probiotics, and enzymes. These items put together works to eliminate harmful bacteria while promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Since it's naturally acidic, it also helps to break down plaque or other substances stuck to the teeth, which help naturally whiten your teeth. Now, to whiten your teeth with apple cider vinegar, you will need just one thing. 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Here is how to use it. First, you need to be consistent with this. If possible, repeat the process for about a month to see the desired result. Now, using a finger, rub apple cider vinegar on your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. With acids in mind, we advise you to be careful with the repetitive use of acids on your teeth as it can be harmful on your teeth, so always rinse and brush immediately after use. Strawberry plus salt and baking soda. Strawberry is a major source of vitamin C and a whitening tool. It comes with an enzyme known as malic acid, which breaks down yellow-causing bacteria found in plaque. To make this, you will need 1 to 3 good-sized strawberries, a pinch of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Here's how to make use of it. Take your strawberries, salt, and baking soda to a jar or bowl for mixing. Continue to mash and mix the ingredients until paste consistency. Before applying the paste to your teeth, clear your said teeth of any saliva using a paper towel. Then, use a generous amount and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Repeat process on a nightly basis for optimal results. Aloe vera and glycerine. Getting healthier and shinier teeth within minutes is very possible by brushing your teeth with a mixture of aloe vera gel and glycerine. Simply prepare this mixture using 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, 1 cup of water, 4 teaspoon glycerine, 1/2 cup baking soda, and 1 teaspoon lemon essential oil. Once you have all of these ingredients, mix them with a cup of water, brush your teeth with this mixture, and watch as your teeth appear whiter, shinier, and healthier within minutes. Orange peel paste. Do you want another form of toothpaste to supplement your regular paste? Here is what to do. Take the inside of an orange peel and mix it with water to create a paste. You will suddenly discover that not does it smell lovely, but is a great way to get rid of tartar. This everyday ingredient is commonly found in your kitchen, making it easy to access. So no point wasting all the goodness from the leftovers of your morning fresh squeezed orange juice. Grinding up clove spices. Do you love spicy foods and want to kick it up a bit? It's time to chew down on some spicy peppers or drink up a cayenne-infused smoothie. Including this wonder spice in the list shouldn't come as a surprise because it has been used as a pain remedy for toothache for centuries, and it is widely available in supermarkets because it is a common ingredient. So you should have no trouble getting already ground cloves ready for use. How to use it? Mix the ground spice with a little water until it forms a paste. Apply this paste directly to the stained areas and leave to rest. And rinse thoroughly. The Vitamin Power Pack. Mixing up a bit of fruit and vegetables that are rich in vitamin C is an excellent way of tackling dental plaque. Simply get tomatoes, strawberries, and oranges. Mix the pulp. Apply this paste on your teeth and let it stay for 5 to 6 minutes. Rinse off with plain water. And you will find out that it's a good way to get a nice fruity breath while solving the problem of bad breath. White vinegar solution. Coming next on the list is the white vinegar. It comes with antibacterial properties which can help in the removal of plaque and tartar and prevent its accumulation. The acidic acid found in white vinegar promotes the demineralization of tooth enamel. To make this wonder paste, simply prepare a white vinegar solution and use it as mouthwash regularly. How? Take half a cup of water and add 2 teaspoons of white vinegar and half a teaspoon of salt to it. Stir it well and use it twice a day to rinse your mouth. Sesame seeds. This one is readily available in your kitchen if you check very well. If that is correct, then this makes for quite an effective way to clean tooth enamel. Sesame seeds are found to be effective at removing dental plaque and stains from your teeth. Simply grab a handful of sesame seeds and chew them for about 5 minutes. Let them clean all the corners of your mouth for some minutes and spit them out after you're done. And use a dry brush to take out any remaining ones. This is the easiest way to clean your teeth and remove dental plaque. Guava. The fruit, as well as its leaves, can help in removing plaque and tartar naturally. They are both strong and effective anti-plaque agents. Not only this, it can help in reducing gum swelling as well. All you need to do is to chew some clean guava leaves daily and spit it out. Or take unripe guava, sprinkle salt over it, and chew it once or twice a day. This will reduce the risk of plaque buildup on teeth. So when next you see the plaque on your teeth, you will know what to do. Remember, you can still schedule regular dentist appointments for other healthy oral hygiene. We hope you were able to find a remedy that fits you in the list above. Perhaps we missed any one on this list, or some other natural remedies that will be of help to everyone. Do let us know in the comments below. Find this video interesting? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. Give this a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated for more amazing videos from Herbal Corner.